Samsung A12 power button repair, easy way jumper. Samsung A12 power button repair, easy way repair. Follow me, see how to repair Samsung A12 power button, easy way. Samsung A12 power button repair, jumper your wire from this way, from this two way in your bottom, from this two way jumper your wire two wire from this two way wire construction carefully from this home button, and easy way repair Samsung A12 power button jumper your wire two wire and repair Samsung A12 and M12, Samsung A12, M12 and others. Repair power button, power IC, very working easy way repair Samsung A12, very easy repair power button. Subscribing me to see more idea to repair Samsung, how to repair Samsung A12, M12 power button, power IC repair and other form and pressing easy way repair. See how to repair Samsung A12 and M12 power button, easy way from this jumper two way, from this way. It is easy to repair Samsung A12, M12 and other Samsung, very easy repair Samsung A12 and M12 power button. It is easy way to working 100% working. Please subscribe with me and watch my video. Samsung A12, it is very easy repair. How to repair Samsung A12, M12 power IC power button. Subscribe with me, see more idea to repair any form, power button, power IC and something repair, easy way repair Samsung A12. It is done repair, it is done repair power button, easy way. It is done repair this one. It is very working repair Samsung A12 power button and M12. This is the same way Samsung A12 and M12 power button. This is the same way repair Samsung A12 and M12 power button. Repair jumper your wire from two way into your bottom, into your bottom. It is very working repair Samsung A12 and M12 repair. How to repair Samsung A12, how to repair Samsung M12 power IC, how to repair Samsung A12 backlight, how to repair Samsung A12 backlight, how to repair Samsung A12 and M12. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.